FDC, University of Sierra Leone. Before I'm reading, I have to thank and appreciate very much to Honorable Vice Chancellor, Deputy Vice Chancellor, Professor Thomas, for his kind attention and accommodation. Dear Dr. Alhaji Al-Fakano, the sisters and brothers, in its 7 years long history, counting the years in 2008, and the entry into force of Euclid Intergovernmental Charter, our institution has seldom offered honorary doctorate. This is rare and special even of our institution. Yet the nomination of this honorary doctorate was compelling. Indeed, it's come at a time when Sierra Leone announced victory over the terrible Ebola virus. During this difficult time, the government of Sierra Leone has been praised globally for its response and international engagement. As Minister of Information and Communication, your role, dear Minister, Dr. Al-Fakano, has been critical and the summit of long career of dedication to the government and people of Sierra Leone whose trust you have rightly earned. On this special day, I recall the importance of Sierra Leone in Euclid's life by becoming the second signatory and participating state to the signature of the Minister of Foreign and International Cooperation, the Honorable Dr. Zainab Bangura, who is now under Secretary General of the United Nations. Sierra Leone effectively brought Euclid into multilateral existence. Now, Euclid has grown to serve 12 participating states across 4 continents, and it has become a mature institution. But it continues to serve Sierra Leone with special gratitude and dedication. In honoring you today with this honorary doctorate in political and public affairs, which the whole nation composed is well deserved, we also express that Euclid is honored to have been entrusted by Sierra Leone with special mandate in higher education and sustainable development. As I briefly mentioned, Euclid is a specialized intergovernmental organization established in 2008, holding university mandate and charter published in the United Nations. It's among the world's few multilateral universities and full member and good standing of the world's key academic bodies, including Academic Council of the United Nations, UN Academic Impact, and the Association of African Universities. Among other services, Euclid offers specialized distance learning and online distance learning programming to government sponsors as well as general public students. Its goal is to prepare expert leaders for international civil service and global career. Our institution motto, academic motto, is very timely in this difficult time of conflict. The Latin Audi et Altram Partem means, let us also hear the other side. The Euclid flagship program in its standard setting online master in diplomacy and international affairs, or MDIA, which has qualified many diplomats globally. Euclid also offers doctoral level program in diplomacy, sustainable development, and international public health, as well as a new joint degree program in international public administration in cooperation with ECOWAS. The Honorable Minister Dr. Al-Fakano, the sisters and brothers, congratulations on all of these honorary doctorate represent, and please accept our sincere and brotherly wishes of long life and continued service to the people and government of the great nation of Sierra Leone. God bless you and yours. Saya Zahid Ali, Euclid University, Secretary General. Ada wallahu yar'ana wa yahfaduna. Merry Christmas in advance. Hallelujah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.